Welcome to Arazy Group's regulatory update. We'll update you on two things in today's update. First, the extension of the licensing requirement deadline for Class A and B non-notified devices. Second, the introduction of a notification process for certain low-risk products through medical device rules issued in October 2022. Before we begin, let's review the registration scheme in India. In April 2020, Medical Device Rules 2020 was enforced. According to this regulation, all non-notified devices can be voluntarily registered. This regulation also stipulated that starting in October 2021, the registration of non-notified devices will become mandatory. In October 2021, CDSCO announced that the mandatory registration for non-notified devices would be implemented in two phases. The first phase will fully implement the mandatory registration for classes A and B by October 2022. And in the second phase, the mandatory Class C and D registration will be fully implemented by October 2023. To facilitate this implementation, the CDSCO provides a bridging registration process for non-notified devices, in which the requirements are much simpler than the complete registration requirements. However, as per the circular issued on September 2022, Class A and B devices currently registered, and with a pending import license application as of September 30, 2022, can still be imported and marketed for another 6 months while CDSCO reviews their applications. This means the manufacturer will still have until the end of March 2023 before the registration for Class A and B non-notified devices becomes fully mandatory. On the other hand, the implementation of mandatory registration for Class C and D non-notified devices remains the same until October 2023. If you are looking to register your products in Saudi Arabia, consider Licensale, our global medtech registration system, for fast and easy market access. According to MD Rules 2022, which was issued in October, Class A, non-sterile, non-measuring devices are exempt from the import license requirements. Although exempt from import license requirements, those devices are not exempt from the QMS, distribution, labeling and post-market surveillance requirements as per Medical Device Rules 2017. In addition, CDSCO has recently launched an online portal so that the manufacturer can submit their medical device exempt notification. The information required for this notification is quite similar to the import license requirements. We'll give you the details of the requirements in the next slide. To notify Class A exempt devices, the manufacturer must upload information or documents such as product information that includes the name and address of the importer and manufacturing site, generic and brand name, model number, intended use, material, dimension, and shelf life, a manufacturing license issued by a competent authority in the country of origin, a QMS certificate, and a free sale certificate issued by the National Regulatory Authority. In addition, because this is a notification process, there will be no approval. Instead, the notification will be considered complete, and the registration number will be generated after the manufacturer furnishes the information or documents through the online notification portal. That's it for our update today. If you have any comments or questions, please do not hesitate to email or call us. Check the Contact Us page on our website for an Arazy Group office near you. Follow Arazy Group on LinkedIn to view other countries' regulatory updates and the latest advancements in regulatory affairs technology. Stay safe and keep well.